ice fishing. Got my dad. Got my cousin. Got me. Let's get to it. Let's go catch us some trout. Maybe a pike. Let's see. Peace.
He was just messing with me that whole time.
Got one on. Something.
Well, he's not as small as I thought.
There it is. Nice.
Dad, hand me another one of the mealworms and bait that store.
They're about to start hitting, I guess, huh? Starting to get aggressive.
I mean, he's not as bad as I thought. He's decent little fish.
Want to take them and flay them?
No.
It's up to you, Dan. It's up to you.
Do you have a
I'm the only one eating.
Pliers, yeah.
Oh, here you go. I got you.
I've got some in my tackle bag. Yours are probably easier access.
Yeah.
Oh, you got one?
There we go.
Oh, nice.
Nice.
Here you go, Uncle.
He got you.
I got it.
Alright, you good?
Oh, I'm putting this one back.
Alright. Easy, quick release.
Quick release.
He's swimming down the hole.
We should save a couple for Delaney's family.
Yeah, if I go over there today, I'll definitely bring some. It's fine. I've got it. So I've got one still swimming near my hole.
They look little, but they're not. I mean, they're not big, but they're not little.
Yeah.
They look little when they're down there.
And that works.
Quick release.
It's like now they go away. Oh.
There's a few more. Yeah, I mean, I see them, but they're not coming. They're not coming around. Go back into the light. Oh, there's one. That's a big fish.
Unless he has it. Oh, he has it. Got one, finally.
Ah, finally got it through the ice.
Finally, yeah. Alright, I wanna video you, man. Such a release video.
There you go.
Michael. I was trying to release the fish without noticing I was releasing the fish.
Oh shit! Oh my god, but he's a big fish. Oh, it's gonna take a while because he's running.
Oh, jeez.
This is gonna be a good one, guys. I'm gonna have to stand up with something
Have to hand line it. Maybe I'll.
Me and Michael both are over here. Go, bro.
Yeah, you can switch between the angles.
Here it comes.
Let me see.
He's running.
Did you see that?
Hard, yeah.
Did you see him? Oh shit!
Oh my
There's a
god.
big boy.
Good one?
Yeah, it's a big boy.
He is screaming that line out.
Oh, there's a big fish. It's gonna take a while, guys.
Yeah.
That's fun.
Yep.
Basic content. I saw him start. I saw his tail through the.
He's a big fish. That's a
keeper, huh?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, this one will be a keeper for
Yeah,
sure.
This one got some fillets.
Oh,
Oh my gosh.
he's like, you guys might want to get your lines up because he's running.
Yeah, I don't have mine in.
Okay, he's not that far from my hole.
Yeah. So mine's like probably 1 foot down, so he won't get in mine.
I'd like to see you stick that net down the hole. Yeah. I only ever have it with me because it's just attached to my bag at all times. But
This is gonna take a while.
If you want to just hold that right next to him, you can probably get a little bit better.
I might. Can you try to reel my line up for me too?
Yeah, I got
I
you.
had him up here for a second, guys. He's gonna be tired by the time we get him out.
He's right on your eyes.
Ooh.
Oh, Jesus.
Let's see if I can get one over the hole.
I'll hold that a little bit better.
All right, here he comes again.
See if we get a good look here on him.
Oh, he saw us.
Yeah.
He's
He
running.
saw us and said, hell no.
This one's a good one.
Well, it's good to know that that light micro line can handle some big fish.
Yeah.
Huh?
What is that? There's no way this is the trout running like this.
It's a big trout.
It is?
Yeah, I've seen him a couple times. Oh shit. Oh, I was like, I lost him. No, he just swam at me for a second.
Yeah, I saw that line get loose too.
Alright, watch your language so we can get some video.
I can bleep it out.
Yeah.
I'll put duck sounds over it.
Oh, you see
Oh
him?
my gosh. Oh. Yeah, that's a keeper for sure.
Yeah, it's a decent trout.
The way you have to toy with him just to get his head through the hole.
Oh boy.
Oh my gosh.
I have to reach
Oh, I
down.
lost him. Still all kinds of fish down there.
Yeah.
They keep coming over, but they're not biting that one though. Potentiometer is what I'm saying. Potentiometer, yep. And I can get all that stuff in there. I might even be able to find a wiper motor somewhere. Oh, there's a fish down there. Cool, isn't it? Oh. Oh, he knocked my shrimp off. Alright, he's still going for it. Oh, he's still going for it. Come on, hit it. Still plenty of fish down there. Damn. They're like aggressive.
Yeah, they're being really aggressive
Oh,
at mine.
damn.
Got one.
There you go. Still hitting mine, but there's... Oh, I got one too.
Nice.
Oh, I lost him.
Ah.
There's a lot of fish down there. He's coming after it anyway. The same one. I lost him and he's still trying to hit it.
That's not a bad trout. So I get to keep my mealworm too. Nice.
They're not even caring that it doesn't have shrimp on it.
There's a lot of fish down there.
Yeah, they don't even care there's no shrimp on it. That's just
Why did it dunk like that?
Come on. Dang, they're just hitting it. That's like 15 feet and I keep seeing them hit my line.
Did I catch him back?
About where the thing says, about 15 feet.
Come on. Take it. Take it.
Between 14 and 16 feet for a bunch of them.
Oh yeah, there's a hog down there.
Is there?
Oh yeah.
That's what I'm thinking.
He just went past my hole. He was huge.
Jeez, that one's aggressive.
Got him. Got him. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
The big one?
Yeah. Oh my. He's
Gotta
gone.
give him some.
Yeah, I gotta give him some slack.
You got it. I'm on. Tried to come over and film you, but
Oh my gosh.
attacked. I'm getting attacked hard. Woo! I got hit hard again.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, I got hit hard again.
This looks like the one you had, Uncle Dave.
Does it?
Oh yeah, he's huge. Look at this hog.
Oh no!
No!
You lost him too?
The line just snapped on me.
Oh.
Oh dude.
I've never seen somebody reach down through the ice like that.
Oh my gosh, he was huge. He was huge. God damn it.
Still here.
Still down there.
They're not going after mine, they stopped. I got my camera ready.
Yeah, they stopped being aggressive towards mine too. I haven't seen any try to go after him.
Oh, there they are.
Yep, heavy up. Yep. Yep.
That's a nicer one.
Yeah, it's not bad. It's slimy.
Put some shrimp on mine. See if I can
I didn't even have my mealworm on when he hit mine.
hit naked lure.
Just hit it straight.
Some down there.
That's a weird spot to get hooked up. Yep. Yep.
Trout mangled this thing a little bit. More like tangled.
See ya. See ya. He's down there in a second. Shall we go after these in there? Got one. Pass me up. He's getting number 2. Yeah, this is a bigger one. What's up, guys? Hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you go like it and subscribe to the channel. Make your way over to Bonfire so you can get your drop shot merch. Super comfy, guys. Link's gonna be in the description. And as always, keep casting and blasting. Peace.